Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access the cabin filter, you must remove the glove compartment. Open the glove box. To remove it, identify the two latches located on both sides. Unlock them, then open the glove compartment lid completely. You should now be able to see the location of the cabin filter flange. Press on the lid's 3 tabs and remove it. Take out the cabin filter. Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and odours, this technology allows the filtration of very fine particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they're a little more expensive, they're probably the best option. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows should point downwards. You can then put the flange back. Put the lid back in its slot. Then close the glove compartment. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.